Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Sage Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Sage Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.sage.com and make a search. The official page of Sage Payroll's account will appear on the screen. Click on Login at the top right side of the page. You will end up on the login page of your Sage Payroll's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Sage Payroll's account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Sage Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.